So we've got brand new Team of the Year redeem codes which we're going to talk about in this video, and we've got the Team of the Year event as well, of course. Let me know down in the comment section how you're getting on in this new event. It's not the most exciting event ever, is it? But we've got 107 overall cards now, including 107 overall Ronaldinho. Let me know down in the comment section if you were able to pack someone good in this event so far. By the way, please make sure to like and subscribe. That would help me out a lot. I've heard some of you were actually able to pack Ronaldinho, which is insane, from my comment section, of course. I've seen some of the comments, and some of you were actually able to pack that Ronaldinho. I wish I was able to pack that Ronaldinho. I wish I had enough luck, but unfortunately I don't. Here, what I realized is, can we go ahead and play all three of these things? Because I played one and I was able to get 300 TMDR icon tokens, but I'm not sure if you can play the other ones. I'm gonna try it later on. I'm gonna try it later and see what happens. Let me just open a couple of these packs. Let me open some exchange packs as well as store packs as well to see what we can get as well, and then we're gonna talk about the redeem codes. Let me first of all see what we get. Right, we've got, what was it? I think 100 gems there. I think that's what we got. Then we're gonna open it second time as well, and we've got some bronze and silver cards, so nothing crazy. And then let's open the third one as well, and let's see what we're gonna get this time. Yeah, we've got bronze and silver cards again, so nothing great so far. But I also forgot to play this main thing as well, where we can get 391 overall Mascherano at the end. So I should play that one as well. We can get 250 gems there, and that's pretty much it. Nothing really crazy. Let me go into the store and let's open some of these 2500 gem packs. Though I'm opening these packs just because I've opened 3000 gem pack already. I'm not able to open that one right now, so I'm gonna open a couple of these. I've got 18,000 gems left. I don't want to spend all of it right now, but I'm gonna open two packs and we'll see what we get. And then, as I said, exchange packs as well. I do want to open some exchange packs. Let's go, 2,500 gems. Let's see if you can get Ronaldinho, Thuram, or someone like that. Unlimited bundle A. We've got bronze and silver cards from the first one, and the second pack is the main one. It is a walkout, so it's a decent start. Let's see what it's gonna be. It's English. It's a striker from Southampton. Not really sure. Okay, Archer, so it's a Lunar New Year card. I was like, I don't really think Southampton player is gonna be in Team of the Year, but it's a Lunar New Year 102 overall Cameron Archer, so yeah, not the worst, I guess, but still not great. I packed 103 overall Lunar New Year cards already. Haven't packed anyone higher than like 101 overall normal Team of the Year, I'm pretty sure, if I'm not wrong at least. Right, let's open the second pack as well, and let's see if you're gonna get lucky from this one at least. Silver and bronze cards again, and the second pack is gonna be a walkout once again, so 100 plus guaranteed. It's gonna be Dutch. It's gonna be a left winger from RB Leipzig. Is that Javi Simons? It is only 100 overall Javi Simons right there. That's bad. That's very bad indeed. So yeah, I'm not really happy with that, with those packs. Let me see if I packed anyone that good from Team of the Year so far. I think I've packed 103, so I think that's the highest overall player that I've packed so far. Program, Team of the Year, and yeah, 103 overall. I packed 103 overall Lunar New Year cards, and that's pretty much all I'll pack there. Can I open some exchange packs? So I can open two of these exchange packs. Let me try to open them, okay? I need some 90 plus overall cards actually. So let me very quickly buy some 90 overall cards, defenders, just to make it a lot easier to find. They should not be that expensive, right? Like 2 mil, something like that. Hopefully I'm able to get some of those cards. I want to get someone, like a lot of someone, right? Casillas, how many of you can I get? 4 for 3 mil. Let me try to get someone else for about same price, please. Are we gonna be able to call us Puyol? Okay, 4 of you as well. That's gonna be all right. And Carlos Alberto, let's go for 8, 7 as well, and just get those 7 players, or 6, doesn't really matter. That's enough for me for today. We're gonna get all of these players, and we're gonna open 2 of those packs as well, right? We're gonna open 2 of those exchange packs, and then I'm gonna show you the new redeem codes as well. 98 pluses. I mean, I'll use Gnabry and 199, no problem. Then 90 overalls and 85 pluses. Let's see if you're gonna get someone good from this pack now, right? Let's see if you're gonna get someone good. 98 to 107 overall Team of the Year player pack. 2 of them. We're gonna get 2 Team of the Years in this one. Dutch. Okay, we've got Javi Simons again. Alright then, we got 100 overall Javi Simons again, and the second player is gonna be a 98 overall card, Bider Gulakshi. We're gonna open the second one as well. This is the last one I can open right now. This is the last one I can open. I'm just gonna put another 100 overall. Don't really care too much. And 90 pluses, there we go. 85 pluses, or these are just 89s, I think, right? Yep. I don't have any more 85 to 88s, but I've got a lot of 89s to be fair, so that's alright. 98 to 107 once again. Let's go. Team of the Year player times 2. It's gonna be Portuguese. It's gonna be a central attacking midfielder. Okay, I've packed him already. That's Bruno 102, right? Yep, 102 overall, Bruno Fernandes. This is the highest overall Team of the Year player that I've packed so far, not including the lunar cards, of course, but still not good. Right, here we go then into the redeem code side. Let me go and click on I'm Not a Robot, but we've got 2 redeem codes, as I said. One of them is the fans team. I already talked about that, so I'm not gonna talk about it too much. I already redeemed it myself, so I'm not gonna be able to redeem it right now. And some of you are actually dealing with an issue where you're not able to like redeem this code. I'm not really sure why, because I think I was able to redeem that code and open that pack later on as well, but I don't really know why you're not able to redeem that code. Either way, this is one of the active redeem codes right now, and the second one is this. I went ahead and copied it. There we go. OS11 Milhoris. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong, but this is the second redeem code right now. When you go ahead and type that in, and when you redeem it, you should be... Oh, it says code invalid as well. Is that some sort of a glitch? I think that's some sort of a glitch. Let me go into the game and let's see if you're actually gonna get a reward or not. Right, so we did not get a reward actually. We were not able to get a reward. I remember when I redeemed the first code, the fans team code, I was able to get a reward for that. And for the second one, I didn't redeem it yet. I just redeemed it right now. And this is 1 day before you're watching actually. So I'm not really sure why we cannot redeem it. It's a glitch, it looks like. People like 10, 15, 20 hours ago were not able to redeem that code as well when you're watching. So I'm not really sure. As I said, that's probably a glitch, and there is probably gonna be a compensation or something like that from EA themselves. Okay, there is gonna be a compensation or something like that, because yeah, it should work, but for some weird reason it does not actually work. It should work though. It should definitely work. So yeah, it's gonna be fixed very soon. Hopefully EA are gonna address it, and hopefully we're gonna get something back from... I'm not sure, man. This Team of the Year event is very disappointing. It's been disappointing for a lot of people. We're not able to get a lot of like great rewards for free. Just 104 star, and in nominee section as well. It's just not great rewards, is it? It's just not the best rewards at all. With Team of the Year shard system as well, only getting like 250 shards for 107 and 180 for 106, and even less and less for like 60 only for 104, 30 only for 103. That's just bad, isn't it? That's just very bad. So I'm not sure. It's been very disappointing, and even this redeem codes glitch now, I'm not sure, man.